Greetings Hyundai owners. We've released an important free software update that supports the engine health of select Tucson, Sonata, and Santa Fe models. This update utilizes an existing sensor on the engine block called a knock sensor to continuously monitor for abnormal wear on your vehicle's engine bearings. If abnormal wear on your engine bearings goes undetected or unrepaired, it can ultimately lead to engine failure. So, we strongly suggest you take the following steps to ensure your vehicle has the latest and most intelligent engine monitoring technology. First, find out if your vehicle would benefit from this update by looking up your Hyundai's vehicle identification number on our dedicated product improvement website. As a reminder, your vehicle identification number is the sequence of 17 letters and numbers located on the driver's side door jamb sticker, or the driver's side corner of the dash beneath the windshield. If recommended, make an appointment at your local Hyundai dealer to update your vehicle's knock sensor software. With an appointment, you'll be in and out of the dealership in about 15 to 30 minutes. We want to emphasize this update is free of charge and won't be paired with other vehicle services unless you specifically request them. Once the knock sensor software update is complete, you can rest assured knowing that your vehicle information displays will provide visual warnings if the system detects abnormal wear patterns. In addition, the engine will enter a special protection mode, limiting power and acceleration to approximately 65 miles per hour until you can safely get to a Hyundai dealer for an inspection. If you have additional questions about this update and its relevance to your vehicle, please contact your local Hyundai dealership service department. On behalf of the Hyundai team, thanks for watching.